firefighting already?
Yes.
Let's go!
Very much so. You're apparently leaving wells the size of, like, that?
Wild.
Don't do fucking anything.
I ain't chewing the fucking ear hole.
Hey, Tristan, ixnay that shotgun.
Huh?
No more of that shotgun.
I wasn't shooting him, I was shooting this guy over here.
Stand, caught him in the ear hole.
I didn't shoot. That was him.
That was me.
Why are you arguing? He's a rat, bro. He owns the building, dude.
I don't go into this.
That was me.
That wasn't me.
I'm gonna talk to you about the shotgun in a second once we've handled this.
All right, he was over here. I was shooting at this guy here.
That was that guy.
That was?
Yeah, you caught him in the hand and the ear. That was.
How?
I watched the rounds hit him in the hand and it ricocheted into his ear.
His hand was the only thing that's sticking out.
I know.
Hey, Carter, he went down after he walked off.
I know. Tristan was right here. His hand was right here. I was watching him do it, and I saw you hit him in the hand.
But from that angle, I cannot hit him in the ear.
What I'm saying is a ricochet caught him in the ear from your shotgun.
That's his fault for not having ear protection.
I understand that.
Carter, it was either me or Bubbles, because he went down while he was behind over here.
Okay. If that ends up being the case, which it might be.
I will turn it down more.
Okay.
When I get off the field here.
Okay. You don't have to stop using it. Just turn it down.
Yes.
Because, good Lord, I had fucking 5 people come to me within the rounds and to complain about that.
You know, half of them are not even wearing fucking head protection,
I understand
dude.
that, and I don't understand.
One person is wearing just fucking glasses.
Multiple people are just wearing just glasses, and I understand that, and that is literally
in a
their
CQB
fault.
environment, yes.
I get that.
I know.
But I've got to care for